Good morning, almost afternoon, paint fans. We're going to go hit up some classes and see what's going on. We're going to be going into Caroline Keefe's class with some surface to surface pouring, I believe. I love it. She's got the music going.
Yeah.
Good morning. There's Caroline Keefe. And what class do we have today?
Hey, Caroline Keefe, 123 Art Designs. We are doing a feather pour today.
A feather in a cup.
So these are two examples I got with me.
Oh, aren't they beautiful? Fabulous. We're going to have little feather artists here shortly.
Or an abstract design.
Or an abstract. Or we go back to an abstract. Fantastic. So she's pouring it all into the cup, and that's what it's going to be. So make sure you follow Caroline, 123 Art Designs. She does amazing work, and she's always posting and teaching.
And everybody here this weekend that was in one of my classes, their stuff's going to be on 123 Art Designs as well.
Oh, can't wait to see those. So you guys get to see what you missed. All right. Have a great day, ladies.
Everyone say hi to Dorian for us.
Or bye-bye, Dorian, maybe.
Dorian.
Absolutely. All right. I think Maureen Gassick is still in her class of skins. Skins and applications.
What about that?
Here's some of her samples. And these are actually three-dimensional.
It also is good balance. I was talking about variety, balance is variety. If I do this,
Look at that.
right?
Isn't that awesome? Fantastic stuff.
The balance is
Teaching something. I have no idea what she's
this,
teaching.
right? And I do that. Now I have variety.
It's more interesting.
I'm engaged. Engaging the viewer is so important. Okay. This good or bad?
That one doesn't bother me. Good.
It's got balance.
But it's
It's
still
hitting
kinda-
the hot spot.
It still kind of leads me to the center.
Does the ink
But then my eye goes this
Right
way.
there.
Yes. So it's this. It's this. It's this. I'm engaged. I'm on.
Yeah, but
camera.
it keeps your interest because of the
Yeah.
different shapes.
Yeah, and that's the balance part. If you get composition, you get value, and you get balance, generally the other design principles come into play.
Let's take a peek at what
And you
they're
don't even
doing.
know they happen. They just come in.
Creating good
And that's why
things.
value is so important. Composition and value and this balance is huge. Doesn't matter if you're pouring, because even your pours, they can be all different colors, but look at them as not colors, look at them as
That's
shapes and
student
sections.
work. I saw her
If you
working
see
on that
something's
earlier.
off, maybe you need to add a couple little dots somewhere to counteract those sections. Yes, it applies to everything. Photography, puzzle, markers, renderings, everything. You can conquer these or be aware of.
We're gonna go
You'll be
to another
so
classroom.
Anything you can take pictures, camera.
Walk with me.
Something out, even if you have to do it on
Okay, we're going to head out right now to a much anticipated class, which is Chad Booth's Sunset Swipe and Tilt. These are the ones he donated for the silent auction. And this is the technique that he is teaching. Okay. Of course, everybody wants those. Now we're going to go in and see where we are. see what I mean by a much anticipated class? Let's go take a peek. How's everyone doing this morning? We're on Facebook Live. Hi, everyone. I'll come up towards the front. Look at all these colors. What are you painting? The Sistine Chapel? My goodness, that's an awful lot of, woo, that's some sunsets. Look at these amazing little things he taught people how to make. Their own little trays. Fantastic. So let's see, right here, and we have paints.
Shiny side up.
Oh, shiny side up. And Dollar Tree cookie racks.
Yeah.
Tag still on.
With
so
tags still
return
on.
them after we're done using it.
You know, I'll figure it out.
That's right. Let me get a, I know, I'm probably making you guys dizzy, sorry. Oh my. Look at this sunset mess up here of color. Look at all these. And I would like to add that every bit of these are Sherwin-Williams house paints. The stuff of Picasso and Jackson Pollock.
Yeah, I know.
They maintain their vibrancy. They have primer in them. Okay, everyone, I'm in the front now. Wave to Facebook. Hey! Is everyone having a great time? Woohoo! All right, can't wait to see what you all make.
Sunset perfection.
Sunset perfection. But is a sunset really perfect?
It is every time you look.
There you go, baby. Great way to think of it.
Right?
Oh, booger. All right, I'll be in later to see your creations. Let me see Valerie's colors. Valerie flag.
Same as
Bronwyn.
everyone else. We're extraordinaire. Valerie's
You all have the same colors, or you're picking your own colors?
We're pretty much our own, but it's a sunset, so many of them
So
are.
it's pretty much all the same. It's going to be all the colors.
Yeah, I know.
I'll be back in to see what you guys do.
Yay.
All right, we're going to go walk over real quick. I think we have 2 more classes in session. Sorry if it's a little bouncy, you guys. I'm glad you're on this trip with me. Everyone's having such a good time. Such positive comments. All right, here we go. Let's see where we are. Good morning, class. We're on Facebook. This is Christina Hickey's class. She's from Magic Mix on Facebook. That's an MAJICMIXX. And Christy, what kind of class do we have right now?
We are doing blooming hibiscus.
Blooming hibiscus.
Yes.
Sensational.
Tropical flowers.
Look at all those colors. Beautiful.
We are having a blast.
Oh, there's my friend Elkie, who loves flowers.
Of course.
Oh, that's gorgeous.
So what you think?
Look at all the colors. Let's see what we've got. See, there it is. Magic Mix. Right there. Follow on Facebook.
That's right.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Oh my. What do you think? You like it?
Yeah, it's fun.
Yeah, it really is. There's Doug, working hard. Beautiful. What do you think, Doug?
I like it. I love it. This is fun.
Like that, and
Everything about it is fun.
Just fun.
So relaxing and therapeutic.
just kind of like
Let's go see Rupa on the other side.
you were that impression.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, there's Rupa's. All right. She's poking in the center of the flower there.
We got some dots here.
It looks beautiful.
Thank you.
They all turned out so different. And so
They did.
pretty.
Well, just like nature.
Yeah.
No two are alike. All right. We'll see you all later.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right. Our last classroom.
Trying not to be like
Just look at our creation.
There we are.
I got it. I don't want you to do anything about that.
We are now in Kim McIntosh's class.
Oh, look at your dragon.
She's fabulous.
Look at your fabulous dragon.
Oh my word. We are doing Flippin' Dragons. Is that right, Kim?
We're doing Flippin' Dragon and literally
A version.
a couple of dragons and a
Yeah,
couple of
non-dragons.
abstract. But it's all, we're all flipping it.
It's
We're flipping it.
it's
We flipped it.
abstract version of Jill Jackson's Flippin' Dragons.
Yeah.
Almost a Flippin' Jackson.
We're flipping it. We're doing it.
Oh my. That looks like the dancing Chinese dragons.
Doesn't
It does.
That's kind of what I was going for.
Finally, we called it skinny and everything else, but
Yeah.
a Chinese
It's a
dragon
dancing.
in the parade.
That's
Yes,
right.
yes.
It's the parade
Yes.
dragon. It's exactly what it is.
Yes.
You're welcome.
See? Thank you for stopping by.
You're very welcome.
Yeah, perfect.
I love that too, though.
So right,
I
Sarasota. She's from Sarasota. That's Scream Sarasota.
she knows me. Yeah, that does.
She's the reason we're here.
It's Scream Sarasota, doesn't it?
These two were in my original class, and as soon as I mentioned it, they signed up. So
I said this was my second painting. I went to her class and we did whatever we did, but then I came here and how fun has this been?
absolutely.
Really fun.
Glad you're having a wonderful time.
Yeah. And you know the new classes that get fall scheduled. We're on vacation for most of them.
Are you? See, she wants more pouring
No, the alcohol.
or alcoholing.
That's what I really wanted, and thought about going to Northport.
Well, there you go. But they cancel so much. I know they do. That's-
It's 10 after 12. For what?
No, but I just know I was just gonna push that off.
oh my,
No.
that's beautiful.
You're gonna start getting
It's a
sticky
swipe.
over here.
Yeah.
She's not letting you give up.
You're gonna start getting a little sticky. What is it?
Okay, so
Oh,
just
you're
do it
talking
later.
about the white.
Yeah.
Do what we talked about.
When I get home once it dries.
Uh-huh.
I just wanna take that out so there's
What,
no more
right
white.
here?
All those little items.
Okay, we can do that,
White.
but I just don't want you to do this.
All right,
No,
we'll see
no,
you guys
I just
later.
wanna get rid of that.
Okay, hold on a second. Hold on a second, let's do that for you. Let's get it out of there.
Let's take a
for you.
quick peek of yesterday's classes that are still in here.
Here we go. Okay, this is what I want.
Oh, your card.
Here we go.
Ah, see, I just wanna try these techniques, that's what I was doing.
So we're gonna take this, and come like that. That's what you want,
There's
right?
Kim's
Yeah.
samples.
It's just, I wanna leave it white. Perfect.
Aren't they amazing?
That's it.
Yeah, and you're right. That's better.
Right? I just did that. Just get
Okay,
on.
now what I want you to do
Grab
is
one of her
I want you to
cards.
blow this white. I don't want you to touch it. I want
Oh, I
you
gotta
to
move my
blow it
hand.
out.
Sorry about that.
That's what I did with this down here.
Yep, I want you to blow it out.
Okay, gotta do this sideways.
And
Sorry.
smooth it all nice and smooth.
There's all her information.
Keep going.
She teaches classes, has parties. Write down that information. Well, caught Raphael, one of the instructors, taking a peek.
There you go, smooth, yeah.
He's probably getting ideas now.
There you go. Just bring it over.
All right,
Come back
we're
on
gonna
the
go for
here
now.
where we-
We'll see you all later.